If you're dealing with a Lucidchart data sync error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This is a really common issue when your chart is connected to a spreadsheet or other data source, and the sync stops updating the way it should. The good news is that in most cases, the problem comes down to permissions, connectivity, browser issues, or a dataset that simply needs to be refreshed or replaced. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is verify your data source. If your Lucidchart diagram is linked to live data, like a Google Sheet, it should normally update on its own. But if you're using a static file like a CSV or Excel upload, those changes will not sync automatically unless you reconnect or replace the dataset. So start by checking whether your source is truly live or static, because that alone can explain the problem. Next, make sure the original file has not been moved, renamed, or deleted. If the file location changed, Lucidchart may lose the link and stop syncing. Also check your file permissions. You need active viewing or editing access to the linked file, so if your access was removed or changed, the sync can fail. Once you've confirmed the source is still available, go into your Lucidchart document and try a manual refresh. Open the file, then look for the data menu. On the right-hand side, find your linked dataset and click the refresh button. This forces Lucidchart to check the source again and pull in the latest information. If the refresh works, great, your issue is solved. But if nothing changes, don't panic. The next step is to replace the dataset completely. In the data panel, click the three-dot menu next to the dataset, then choose Replace Dataset. From there, re-upload or re-link the file again. This is often the best fix when the original connection is broken or partially corrupted. If you still see the sync error after that, the next area to check is your browser. Sometimes browser cache, cookies, or extensions can interfere with Lucidchart's connection to your data source. A really easy test is to open Lucidchart in an Incognito or private browsing window. If the sync works there, that usually means one of your extensions, cached files, or cookies is causing the issue. In that case, go back to your normal browser and clear your cache and cookies, then sign in again and test the sync one more time. It's also a good idea to make sure your browser is fully updated. Lucidchart tends to work best in the latest version of Google Chrome, so if you're using an older browser version, update it before trying again. If the problem still isn't fixed, check your network and security settings. VPNs, proxies, and strict corporate firewalls can sometimes block Lucidchart from connecting to external services like Google or Microsoft. If you're using a VPN, temporarily disable it and try syncing again. If you're on a work network, there may be security rules preventing the data connection from working properly. Testing on a different network can help you confirm whether that's the cause. So to recap, the fastest way to fix a Lucidchart data sync error is to check the file permissions and source location. Manually refresh the dataset, replace the dataset if needed, test in Incognito, clear your browser cache and cookies, update your browser, and disable any VPN or proxy that might be blocking the connection. In most cases, one of those steps will get your sync working again. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.